Good morning, children of class 5. Hope all of you are good at your home. Be safe and be healthy. Okay. Now today I will teach you from your grammar section. The topic is adjective. Okay. You know what is adjective? An adjective is a word which describes or qualifies a noun. Okay. It is used to express the quality, quantity and to point out of a particular person or thing. See, I am writing here. An adjective is a word which describes or qualifies a noun. What is adjective? Adjective is a word which describes or qualifies a noun. It is used to express the quality, quantity and for a particular person or thing. Suppose, for example, I am giving you, for example, the old man can dance. Okay. Another example, this red pen is mine. So, what is adjective? It is a word which describes or qualifies a noun. For example, the old man can dance, and second example is this red pen is mine. So, old and red are what? Describing words. Are describing words. What they are describing? They are describing the noun. Man and pen. They are describing the noun. So describing words are also called adjective. Okay. See, the old man can dance. This red pen is mine. Old and red are describing words. They are describing the noun, man and pen. So describing words are called adjective. There are 6 kinds of adjective. How many kinds? 6 kinds. What are they? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, integrative adjective, and the last one is possessive adjective. Now in this class, I will teach you 3 kinds of adjective, and remaining 3 we will learn in next class. Okay. Now in this class, you will learn about adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. See, I am writing. Kinds of adjective. There are 6 kinds of adjective I have told. Now in this class we will learn about adjective of quality. Okay. Second one is adjective of quantity. And third one is adjective of number. And remaining 3 we will learn in next class. Now what is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality means which describes the quality of a person or things is said to be what? Adjective of quality. For example, he is a brave boy. He is a brave boy. What I have told, adjective of quality means which describes the quality of a person. Okay. If I have written example, he is a brave boy. What kind of boy he is? He is brave boy. What kind of boy is? Brave. Okay. It is expressing the what? Quality of a person. What kind of boy he is. So adjective of quality means which describes the quality of a person or things is said to be what? Adjective of quality. Now, second example. She is a intelligent girl. She is a intelligent girl. Okay. What kind of girl she is? Intelligent. It is expressing what? Quality of a girl. So, adjective of quality means which describes the quality of a person's place, things is called what? Adjective of quality. Now, second one is adjective of quantity. It means which describes the quantity, how much quantity it is. Okay. For example, give me some water. Adjective of quantity is expressing what? Quantity of things. So what example is there? Give me some water. How much water? Some water. It is expressing the quantity. Adjective of quantity means which express the quantity of a things is said to be what? Adjective of quantity. For example, another example. They have enough money. They have enough money. How much money? Enough. See, it is expressing what? Quantity. So, adjective of quantity is describing what? It describes the quantity of a things meant is said to be what? Adjective of quantity. Now, third one is adjective of number, which describes the number of a people's things. Okay. For example, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there? 7. It is describing the number. Okay, so it is clear. Adjective of number, which describes the number of a things, days, etc. Okay, so it is describing days. There are 7 days in a week. Now, second example is many boys are absent today. Many boys are absent today. How many boys? Many boys. It may be 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. It is expressing the number of boys. So it is very clear to all of you. What is adjective? Adjective which describes or qualifies a noun. It is used to express quality, quantity and to point out of a particular persons or things. There are 6 kinds of adjective. What are they? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, integrative adjective, and the last one is possessive adjective. Now in this class we have learned about 3. Adjective of quality which describes the quality of a person or things, adjective of quantity which describes the things that is meant, and adjective of number which describes the number of peoples or things. So it is very clear to all of you, and the next 3 we will learn in next class. Okay. Now today assignment I am giving you. The assignment is, first question is, what is adjective? And question number 2 is, explain 3 types of adjective with example. First one is adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. And the last one is Adjective of number. So, class 5 children, first try to understand the whole concept. Okay, today's assignment I have given. First question is what is adjective, and second question is explain three types of adjective with example. What are they? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and the last one is adjective of number. So, meet you in the next class with the next topic. Take care of yourself and be safe and be healthy. Thank you.